Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with QuickBooks Online easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with QuickBooks Online, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Click on the Sign Up or Try It Free button. You will be prompted to choose a plan that suits your business needs. Select the plan that you prefer. Click the Select Plan button to proceed. Next, enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password and confirm it in the next field. Click Create Account to move forward. You will be directed to a page asking for your business information. Fill in your business name, type, and industry. Choose the appropriate business size from the drop-down menu. Provide your contact information, including your name and phone number. Review the information you've entered for accuracy. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Now, QuickBooks will ask if you want to connect your bank accounts. You can choose to connect your accounts or skip this step. If you choose to connect, follow the prompts to securely link your accounts. Once connected, QuickBooks will sync your transactions. If you skip the connection, click Continue to finish the registration. You might see a tutorial on how to navigate QuickBooks Online. Take a moment to explore the dashboard and its features. Congratulations, you're now registered with QuickBooks Online and ready to manage your business finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.